Hey, my name is Dan. I used to work at the biggest dealership in the country, and now I teach fine folks like you how not to get fucked when buying a car. Now, in this video, I want to talk to you about Tesla. Alright, if you watch some of my other Tesla videos, you probably know I'm not a Tesla fan. I hate electric vehicles. I think they're a fucking joke. But I do admire, admire I think it would be the right word. I do admire Elon Musk for all the crazy shit that he has done and the financial success he has created for himself and for his family. And his very creative marketing, I'll put it that way. I'm not gonna call it bullshit. I'm not gonna call it complete bullshit. I'll just call it very creative marketing. So I wanna talk to you about this right here. Electric vehicles are not as economical or environmentally friendly as regular cars. And in this video, we're going to be comparing this to diesel vehicles. The evil diesel vehicle. Ooh, scary. Look at these articles here. Let's just go through some of them. Electric vehicles are actually more harmful to environment in the production and recycling than regular cars. Electric vehicles are powered by coal. Guys, I am not trying to persuade you, don't buy electric vehicles, all right? No. I don't give a shit what you buy. It's your fucking money. It's your money. I don't give a fuck. Really, I don't. What I'm trying to bring into the spotlight here is the fact that the marketing that's around the electrical vehicles is absolute bullshit. It's a joke. They are not more environmentally friendly than regular gas cars. They aren't. Guys, I understand you may want to believe that, and that's totally fine. There are some people who are all about saving the environment and all that shit. That's awesome. Congratulations. Good for you. But the saving environment is not going to be with the battery technology and electricity. It's simply not. If you think it is, there is a country in the world that's called Germany. They have actually increased their environmentally friendly ways of generating electricity. You know what happened? Two things. Number one, their CO2 emissions went up. I mean, they skyrocketed. If you don't believe me, literally, I don't want you to just believe me. Do your own research on this shit. And second, they have blackouts. How would you like to come home and you have no fucking electricity because there's no wind? How would you like that? Literally, this is not some kind of made up story. This is real life in fucking Germany. This is not in Africa. This is not in North Korea. This is not in Russia. This is not in fucking South America where things are just fucked up. This is in Germany, all right? First world country, Germany, guys. German engineers have actually done some research about electric cars and diesel cars. Which ones actually produce more CO2? Electric cars, diesel cars. You know what they came up with? Diesel cars are actually better for the environment. I know, pretty crazy. Guys, in this video, I want to talk to you about what the actual advertisement and marketing is of electric cars compared to what the truth is of the diesel cars. The bottom line is, I'll tell you what the bottom line is right now if you don't want to watch this entire video. Diesel and gasoline is actually better for the environment than electric vehicles for two different reasons. Number one, production and recycling of electric cars is very toxic. These fucking batteries are very, very, very toxic. You can take a car, a regular old car, right, that's not an electric car, and melt it down into metal. Congratulations, you have metal here that you can use for other things. What are you going to do with these poisonous fucking batteries? You can't just melt them. What are you going to do with these batteries? The biggest problem that most big companies that are working with batteries, I'm talking about fucking Apple, Samsung, Tesla, I'm talking about big huge companies like Volvo, I'm talking about huge companies, multi-billion-dollar companies. One of the top things that they're researching is what the fuck are we gonna do with all these batteries after they're done? What are we gonna do with them? That shit is poisonous waste. You can't melt it down into something else. You can use it, reuse it, reuse it. Okay, you reused it 2, 3 times. What are you going to do after the battery doesn't hold the charge? What are you going to do with that shit? You can't melt it down like an old car. And the second thing is how much energy can be stored in gas, diesel, coal comparing to electric batteries. It's insanely more. Fuel like gas, like coal, like diesel is actually better for the environment. And guess what happens when we have CO2 in the air? It's gonna sound crazy, but plants eat that. That's literal food for plants. If somebody truly cares about the environment and all that shit, instead of getting an electric car, the best thing you can do is go and plant yourself a fucking forest. Literally, go spend $15,000 and plant insane amount of little trees. That's it. By the time in 10, 15 years, those trees are going to be consuming more CO2 than you're going to be preventing with your electric cars. The best thing we can do with the environment is plant more fucking trees. That's it. The solution is so simple, you might think it's natural. Huge thank you for watching this video. Click here to subscribe, watch one of those 2 videos, and click the share button below the video. Did you enjoy the video? Did you find it useful? Do you think you're gonna save some money with it? Abso-fucking-lutely you will. Share this video on Facebook with somebody else. This is Dan Strong with 60 Minute Car. I'm signing out, and I'll see you in another video.